Okay, so you are panicking. We're just going to do what we always do. Okay, we got the organization. Okay, it's not a company, it's a charity, but still, we got it. We know some things about it, and we know some things about the environment. What are we going to do? We are going to analyze the pre-scene. We are going to look at the charitable sector, and then we are going to look what is historic places status in that sector. What are the governance issues? How are you going to mitigate all those risks that you are given in the pre-scene? And what can you understand from the financial information? You know, all those charts at the end of the pre-scene. What can you see from those charts? So you have a two-tier board. What is different? What is different between a unitary board and a two-tier board? What characterizes historic places as a charity? So what is different between historic places and a company as you know it, a for-profit company? Do as many models as you can. Like Mendelow, obviously value for money 3 is very important here because we got a nonprofit. How are we going to evaluate the performance with 3 economy, efficiency, and effectiveness? Obviously do that. Porter's 5 forces. Another example that will apply to any kind of organization. There's a recession. Competition is going to get bad. Like charities are already competing for donations, but recession means that both for companies and charities, disposable income is going to decrease. People will have less money to spend on entertainment, like going to museums, going to archaeological sites, shopping from museum gift shop. Less money for that, less money for membership, and definitely less money for donations. Okay, so we already know that recession is going to make things harder in the charitable sector. Again, look at how they create value. Just like you would look at a company, use Porter's value chain, use 6 capitals of integrated reporting, analyze macro environment using PESTEL, and then take all those things and put them into your SWOT analysis. You can do much more, okay? Obviously, there's so much that you can look into. For example, we know that there are conservation projects. What does it mean? It means that these operations are project-based. You can look at project management. What could go wrong with project management in historic places? What are, bases of solid project management? Refresh that knowledge. Again, they have 4,000 employees and 20,000 volunteers. A lot of people. They need an HR strategy. They need to manage that talent. So go check talent management. Think how they could keep all those people because volunteers are not getting paid at all and employees are getting less than private sector. So yes, I understand charities are different from companies, but for SBL's purposes, not that different. Just use the information. And if you're still panicking, I have an 80-slide PDF available for purchase on my Buy Me a Coffee page, which I will link below. You can purchase that. 80 slides, full of information, full of models, full of exam tips.